Okay, today I have something interesting. Today we have yes, of course we have Kahoot today. We have 2 Kahoots, okay? All right. Now, so today we'll start off with something. Okay, so Rachel, that's fine. If you can't, no problem. Sure, Kenny, you just stay back lah. Okay? The usual. Okay. Today I'll start off something interesting since it's the school holidays, right? Let's see whether I can flash this. I have a teaser for you to do. You have a look at this. Now, what is your answer to this question?
Sorry, I'm
No problem, Giselle. Hi, how are you? Okay. We'll start off today with something interesting. We'll do a teaser. Can anyone tell me? No? Try again, Gordon. Evan's not here. 1, 2. Oh, Evan's here. Shane, try again. Liana, try again. You're on the right track. Shane, try again. Rachel, try again. Kenny's, try again. Evan, we're doing a quick brain teaser. Kenny's, try again. Shane, try again. Okay, I read out the answers. It's not 26, not 35, not 30, not 31, not 36, not 28, not 32. It's more than any of these. Okay, count. Shane, very close. Not 30, not 40, not 31. So far, closest is A. Shane cannot be guessing. Okay, not 42, not 46, not 42, not 46. One of you is very close. Not 45, Giselle. Not 41. Okay, not gonna take too long. The timer is gonna come up. I'm gonna give you 1 more minute. And then A. Cannot show you. A, I cannot show. Cannot cover. Not 49, not 43. I want to cover, cannot. No, 50 too much. Giselle, not 42, not 44. Gordon got it. Giselle got it. Well done. Kenny's short of 1. Giselle, your initial answer was correct. Before 47, your answer was correct. Evan, not 26.
I typed wrongly.
Shane, no. Rachel, no. Shane, try again. Wow, so many different answers. Wow. Okay. All right, time's up. Okay. The answer is... Gordon, you want to share your answers?
The answer is 48.
48.
Yeah. So how do you get 48? So we look at this. So within this triangle itself, you already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The big one is 26. Then you have 27, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and so on. 30, 35. Then you continue with 35. Then the opposite way, 36, until you actually get a total of 48. It is a little bit complicated. Okay, you just have to have that perseverance. So the answer is, that's why they say brain teaser. So brain teaser, so there are 48 triangles. Okay, all right. I'll leave the second brain teaser to another time since everyone is already here. Okay, it took you forever. That's the whole point. Supposed to take you forever. Okay, now everybody, well done. You did your homework. Okay, most of you got question number 1 correct. So I'm not going to go through number 1. I'm going to go through number 2. Okay, number 2. So what happened here is that this is unit of measurement already. Okay, so this is already a unit of measurement. So you have to be very careful. Now, Ali has had 4/5 kilograms of noodles and he cooked 2 out of 3 of it. So that means if you were to represent this using a model, this is 4/5 kg. And I cut this into 3 parts. He cooked. These are cooked. So that's what he had left. So what you want is 1/3 of the 4/5. Okay. So 1/3 out of 4/5 would be 4/15, which is B. All right. So you don't have to be careful. That's okay. No worries. Tanishka, but you okay? Are you settled down already? Today's so pretty. Okay, now. Question number 3. Also, most of you got it correct. So I'm not going to go through number 3. Neither am I going to go through number 4. But I'm going to go through number 5. Okay, so from number 5 onwards, I am going to go through the question. Now, it says here, Samuel spent 2/7 of his money on a basketball. He spent 1/3 of it on jersey and had $18 left. Now, let me ask you this question. All this belong to the same original? Are all this referring to the same original? Who says yes? Can you give me a thumbs up with the thumbs up, thumbs up. Is it referring to the same total? Like that? Use the, no. Gordon, the emoticon. You can see the reactions there. Yes, okay. You can also use a tick. It's fine. Okay, so everyone agree, yes, it belongs to the same original. Then how come you all cannot get it right for some of you? Okay, so that means out of his total money, now in this case, I'm just going to use the first denominator, which is denominator 7. So my fraction for 1 whole will be 7/7. So I'm going to represent his money as 7/7 of total. Okay, now he spent 2/7 on a basketball. And he spent 1/5 of it on a jersey. So that means this represents 1/5 of total. And he had $18 left. Okay. Now, so from here, if I were to add this up, this would give me 17/35. That leaves me, what fraction was left? Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Shen. What fraction was left? Olivia, do you want to give me an answer? What fraction was left? You can use your calculator, no problem. So if this is Jersey, if he spend 2/7 of his total money on a basketball, 1/5 on a jersey, total spent would be 17/35. So he had $18 left. So what fraction of his total money did he have left? I just need the fraction. Who else? Anyone wants to help Olivia? Or Olivia can manage? No? Okay, can I get a fraction here? Evan? What's the fraction of money did Samuel have left? Huh? Is that supposed to be a 1 in front? Yes, okay. So Evan says this is 18/35. What's left is 18/35. So now, if that means if 18/35 of the total left is $18, that means 1/35 of total will be $1, right? Yes, or you can also say 18 unit is $18, 1 unit, $1. So if I were to find 1 whole, which is 35 unit, it will be $35. Okay, so for those of you who did not get this answer, $35, some of you got $32.90, $31.50, $3.15, some is $315. Okay, so this is how it's done. Okay, now you must be able to identify whether is it of the remainder. Evan like this. So is it of the remainder or is it part of a whole? Or is it referring to the original total? Okay. Now that's question 5. Question 6 in your paper also. Some of you got it wrong. This is the one where I asked, what was the answer? What you call, if you could recall, what was your answer? Because I have many multiple answers, which was quite surprising. Okay. Now, so we have, it says here, the mass of 3 identical containers is this. So that means 3 containers, the mass is 7/8 kg. Now, we want to find out the mass of 12 of such containers. Now, to get from 3 to 12 containers, what do I need to multiply the number 3 with? I need to multiply by how many? 4. Thank you, Rachel. So I multiply by 4. So this I must multiply by 4. That means 7/8 times 4/1. So from here, I will get divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 2. So this gives me 7/2, which is 3.5 kg. I saw someone got 28. Yes, 3.5. That's right. Yeah, this is what do you manage to use the fraction symbol in the, yes? So everyone good to use the fraction symbol? Very good. Okay, then no problem. Who wasn't able to do the fraction symbol? It's easy because of this symbol here, right? You just have to click on it. This is called infinity. Okay, for those of you who don't know, just there's an infinity button next to the box, the blank box. You can click on it, you'll be able to input a fraction. Okay, so for those of you who are not able to, all right. Okay, now that's question number 6. Question number 7. Again, question number 7, is it referring to the same 1 whole, or is it the second fraction is referring to a remainder? Is the second fraction referring to a remainder? Can you use your reactions? Oh, so busy, everybody. Busy. How to use reactions? Is the second fraction part of a whole? Yes or no? I'm going to put